Thigh muscles, medial view. In order to see this important group of muscles, it will be necessary to transect both the sartorius and gracilis muscles.
Sartorius gracilis.
Covering about 1/2 of the area is a large muscle named quadriceps femoris.
Quadriceps femoris. Way labot ni quadriceps femoris. Apila ni yun para makita sa kams.
Quadriceps femoris. It is so large that the 4 muscles that make it up must be considered separately.
4.
The quadriceps separates readily to 3 distinct bundles: a large lateral muscle, the vastus lateralis,
Vastus
lateralis, a middle muscle, the rectus femoris, and the medial muscle, the vastus medialis. So the 4th muscle of the group, the vastus intermedius, may be seen by separating the rectus femoris from either adjacent muscle or by transecting it.
Kanimo ni?
Dissect away the intermedius. So, mo na ang vastus intermedius.
Asa pointer?
Vastus
Vastus intermedius.
Vastus intermedius. Then dissect away the femoral artery, vein, and nerve so that you are better able to see the group of muscles beneath them.
Kani?
Itong ana.
With sa femoral vein, femoral artery,
femoral nerve.
ang artery kanin. Pink.
Then ang white. Femoral.
Ayaw pag ngit-ngit. Femoral artery, femoral nerve, kaning puti.
Then
Ang
most
tulo.
lateral or the group is the iliopsoas, composed of iliacus and psoas major.
Di makita. Nara na sulod. Iliacus psoas na dire.
Iliopsoas. Then medial to the iliopsoas is the pectineus.
Pectineus, kani jud gamay kasanan.
And ang white is the pectineus.
Ay lagi pag ngit-ngit ba?
And medial to it is the adductor longus.
Adductor longus.
Asa ka na? Adductor longus. Then the remaining 2 muscles are considerably large. The adductor femoris and the semimembranosus.
Femoris, semimembranosus.
Kani ba? Or kani?
Kaning duha.
Kadang duha. Adductor femoris and the semimembranosus.
Manak.
Next.